Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time it might be. Thank you very much for joining me back here in my garage. Today, I want to do a quick topic about TPMS systems, or tire pressure monitoring systems. They basically tell you what what air pressure your tires are at. So if you're running flat, you know to fill them up. And that's usually what I do. About once a year, I have to go check the tires, fill them up, and the light goes off pretty much. It's basic, it's easy, and nothing to worry about. But today I was told there is another issue with the Ford Escape I have, 2009. It's coming up with a message saying tire sensor fault, which is completely different. So what I'm going to do is see if I can fix it. But I don't know what's wrong with it. I looked online and I figured out that there's going to be three possibilities. Either it's going to be the box that's like in the engine well area. That's the system that's being or receiving the signals from the sensors that are in the tires. So it could be the box or the signal or the sensor in the tires, or since it's wireless, it could be interference. That those sensors are good, it's trying to send it to the box, but the box is not receiving those command signal, whatever you want to call it. So that's where I'm at right now. I don't want to replace the box or rip apart the tire to replace the sensor without knowing first and buying the tool to figure out what sensor it is. That's a whole nother thing. I want to see if the sensors are good and it's just being interfered with the box. So I checked out the car and I did notice the new thing that was introduced in here by my wife was a cheapo phone charger. Just I don't know what kind that is. I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't matter. It's one of those cheap ones you can buy at a gas station, you can buy online. That's not OEM, and it's just not plugging into the USB port that Ford actually provides. So what I'm going to do is take this out. This is gone. Bye-bye. I'm going to use my awesome code reader from Launch that I showed a video. I'll put up a link right now of how to use it. It's super simple. All you have to do is plug this into the port, run the diagnostic. It will show you the codes that are coming out on the engine or coming out for the computer, and you can even erase them. So I'm going to erase the code, reset that system, take out that possible interference, and let the system run. I'll drive the car around normal for the day and come back and see if it's fixed. If not, I know now that I'm going to have to go get the specialized tool, check what sensor it is, if it is a sensor or if it is a box, and go that route. But that's going to be more expensive than a simple code reset. So let's get to it. Alright, so plugged it in, like I said, super easy. Just right into that port, right under the steering wheel area. I'm going to say diagnose. It's running, see if you can see that. See if we can get a good view of that. Nah, we won't be able to see it. Anyways, it's running. Oh, there we go. Alright. So we're going to read codes. Alright, it found a code and it's saying that vehicle codes is defined by the manufacturer. Please enter the manufacturer, Ford, and yep, coming up with the code. So I'm going to back it on out and I am going to erase the code. Please turn the engine on with engine off. Press enter to continue. Yep. Processing. Still can't see how. Yeah, I don't know. I should have learned the first time. It's processing. And it says it is cleared. So I'm going to go back to read codes. Verify. Your vehicle has no fault codes. Awesome. Alright. So now I'm going to be able to turn on the vehicle. Alright. Everything's cleared out. So now, like I said, just let it run for the day. Come back tomorrow and see if it worked. If not, you're going to see a good video on how to diagnose a bad sensor and fix it. But other than that, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. As always, press that subscribe button, hit the notifications. Anytime I have a new video coming out, you'll be able to see it. As always, just thanks for watching. I appreciate everything. With that, take it easy and ride safe.